Bugs!
Bugs.
Come on, with the bugs we got!
We got the KNEX Super Mario.
Series 8, right after this. Hello, it's me, Crazy Daddy!
Hello, it's me. Bugs.
Bugs! Welcome to Super Mario World, where we got the KNEX Super Mario.
You sound like Luigi.
Oh, I always get my Luigi and my Mario and my Yoshi and my Toad.
Say your own voice.
Mike!
Say your own voice.
Okay, we got KNEX Super Mario Series 8. My bags. We have done these, right?
Yeah,
we
we
have.
got Toad and Bowser.
We got Toad and Bowser last time, so we don't want any duplicates, Bugs.
And we couldn't swap their heads.
No duplicates.
But I did figure out something with them. You can put Bowser's head and Toad's head together. You can put them together.
That's a wonderful story, Bugs.
Okay.
First bag up.
This one.
What do you want, Bugs? Go dunk. Yeah, I want Ice Luigi.
Ice Luigi.
Ice Luigi. We need Ice Luigi. We need a Luigi. An Ice Luigi.
Scissors.
Scissors. We got teeth. That's terrible. I didn't get it with my teeth. Oh, that tastes good. Tastes a little like strawberry.
Ew. I can feel. Oh.
Brother. Oh. We got it, Toad. We got it duped. We got duped.
You got duplicate.
We got duped, and as you can see, they come in pieces
You got duplicate.
like that, and you got to put them together.
I think this is Diddy Kong.
So
I think this one is Diddy Kong.
I'm gonna attempt to put Toad together.
Where's his feet?
He left them at the store. Let me see those feet, Bugs. Let me see those feet.
I'll put it on.
Go ahead, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Up. We lost the foot.
Where's the
We lost the foot.
Where's Mr. Foot?
So we got 1 foot
I
Toad.
found it.
Oh, you found him. Good.
It fell off of my hand.
1 foot Toad just became 2 foot Toad. 1 foot, 2 foot.
This is Diddy Kong.
That is Toad right there.
I think this is Diddy Kong, Crazy Daddy.
He's a dupe, Bugs. He's a dupe.
I think this
Bugs
is
says Diddy Kong. Take a bite. All right, fine. I think this one's blueberry. Oh, blueberry. That's awesome.
Ew.
What do you mean, hell? You like blueberries.
I know, but-
Folks, do not eat these at home. Thank you.
I
He knew it. Diddy Kong. Let's show him the pieces. Show him the pieces. Show him the pieces. Show him the pieces. Can you see that? Can you see it? Those are Diddy Kong pieces. Oh, look at Diddy Kong's hat. I like Diddy
knew it.
Kong's hat.
Whoa, it's
Check out Diddy Kong's hat. I think we need to get the Bugs at Diddy Kong hat. All right, Bugs, put them together.
Yeah, man, his hat looks cool.
His hat does look cool. I'm gonna put the tail on while you're doing that.
No,
Yeah.
I'm already done.
I can help. I can help. I can do it. Come on. I gotta feel
Wait,
useful.
can they swap their heads?
I gotta feel useful. Wait, you gotta put him together first. You can't
Okay.
swap heads before you even put them together first. Here we go, Bugs. Come on.
Here's our monkey.
Beautiful. Beautiful job. His tail's no. Oh.
Oh, we can.
Crazy Daddy put his
swap
tail
their
on,
heads.
going down. So I was like, hey, he's not gonna be able to stand. But that's why his tail gotta go up. There he is. Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong. Diddy Kitty Kong.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Toad and Diddy Kong
I can't.
before the Bugs get to hold of it. Now, go ahead. Can they swap heads?
Yes.
Let's see.
They both
Are they
have-
head swappers?
Yeah, they're head swappers.
That is awesome. Diddy Toad! He's my new favorite character, Bugs. Diddy Toad.
Can I see?
Diddy Toad looks awesome, actually. He looks like he belongs. Diddy Toad, Bugs. My favorite Diddy Toad. This is... What's his name?
Diddy Toad.
Toad Diddy Kong. Toad Kong. Toad Diddy? Toad Diddy. Toad Diddy. Hey, you look good with that body, buddy.
Wait, hold on.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on. So while the Bugs is busy swapping heads, feet, toes, and noses, let us know who you like. Toad? Diddy Kong? Diddy Toad? Or Toad Diddy? Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite?
I don't know.
I like Toad Diddy. I mean Diddy Toad. I like Diddy Toad. Diddy Toad is my favorite. Let us know what your favorite is in the
Hey,
comments.
I swapped them. Look, I swapped them more.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's gonna pop up a button right about over here. And take us out, Bugs. Take us out, Bugs.
Toad's out. Toad's out.
Toad's out.
And Diddy Kong.
And Diddy Kongs.